Welcome at Eurosatory 2026. We stand at CSG's exhibition here in Paris. We brought here our traditional portfolio of various land systems, mainly based on Tatra chassis. One of it is Tadeas, the 4x4 wheeled vehicle, which is presented here in world premiere. Welded armored hull, Tenec 4569 level 4 with add-on armor, remotely operated weapon station. But for the first time, we are also presenting tracked vehicle, which is medium tank Carpat equipped with 120mm cannon. MSM Group is the large caliber side of our story. Tank rounds in 105 and 120mm, artillery in 105 and 155mm. CSG is expanding also in the field of high-tech air defense systems and unmanned aerial system. The example of it is Command and Control Center, which I am sitting in. This center enables commander to effectively manage multi-layered air defense system. It can serve for battery, tactical or even operational level. Trident is a full air defense system, short, medium and long range, modular, configurable to the customer's operational requirements. CSG recently entered also the area of unmanned aerial systems. The vehicle to achieve this is the company AviaNera, which produces propulsion units for advanced drones and missiles. The bottleneck in drones and missiles production are exactly propulsion units. Therefore, we intend to transfer production to our customers, for example to Ukraine, other European countries, but also United States.